Today we have a 2016 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation package, 16,000 miles, clean auto check. It comes with the balance of factory warranty. Go ahead and give you a look at it. You'll notice it does have the big chrome grille, GMC badging. It does have the LED outlined headlights and the xenon high definition lights, along with the chrome backed parking lights. Bring it out the side here and see you have your big 20-inch rims there. They are the polished aluminum rims, and you have Goodyear rubber on there. Those tires are pretty darn close to being new. And you see you have your nice 4x4 badging and your elevation badging on the door. You notice it does have the nice full-length running boards down there to step in. And once you look at the interior, you'll see you have two-tone. You have the gray cloth seating. It's a split bench style front seat. Has a dark carpets. It also comes with the big rubber floor mats to protect your carpeting. And you have some nice chrome accent pieces inside, as you can see, your door handles and your vents and around your stereo and stuff. Back seat. So you also have the rubber floor mats back there. And these seats actually fold up. So if you need to haul anything back there, need some extra storage space, you can do that. And they go down just as easily. Just pull that lever, give them a flip, and it will go right down for you. And give you a look at the back. Tires and wheels, same as the front, practically new. You have your nice chrome exhaust tip on there. And these GMCs, nice feature they have here, they have your step style bumper on the corners, so you can put your foot in there and hike yourself up onto the truck bed. And you also have your rear backup cam with this up under your badging. And you have your hitch receiver and your plugs, everything in there to plug your trailer in. It does have a nice spray-in bed liner. Tires and wheels on that side, same all the way around. Actually, the wheels are all really nice. There's no curb rash, no scuffs or anything on them. Give you a look in there. Hop inside and I'll give you a look at the interior here a little bit. Driver's door will have your power locks, windows, and mirrors on it. And you have your trailer control here. You can crank that up or down from that button. And you have your headlight control switch. We'll hop inside. We'll see the steering wheel, built-in airbag, of course, airbag on passenger and driver side, and you have your cruise control there on your steering wheel also. And we'll light the dash up a little bit to give you a look. See, the current mileage is 16,668. And you have your shifter selector, and you do have your four-wheel drive lever on the floor in this particular model. And up from that, you'll have your cargo light, you'll have your traction control. Above that, you have your heating and air conditioning controls. Then you have your Bluetooth settings, your audio settings. And as you can see, you can actually do all this touchscreen too. You can sync your phone up, link it right to your radio. You have your OnStar. You can do all that stuff right there through your screen. It's a real nice truck. No real smell of smoke or pet inside. No tears, rips in the seats or carpets. What we're going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and start the engine, and we're going to give you a look at under the hood. see it's also nice and clean under there. As for engine, you have the 5.3 liter engine in this truck, which is pretty much a staple engine for Chevrolet and General Motors. It's their 5.3 liter V8. And for gas mileage, you can expect to get around 22 miles per gallon on the highway. And if you're city driving, probably around 16. Of course, that'll vary a little bit depending on your driving habits, but all in all, not bad mileage for a big four-wheel drive truck. Give you a look at the lighting there while it's illuminated. And the last thing we're going to do on the video is I'm going to walk you around and pinpoint any blemishes or damages at all on the vehicle, in case you may be interested in coming out to take a look. Don't think we're going to find a whole lot. It is a nice clean unit. There are a couple real small chips on the front. They have all been touched up and gone over with clear coat. There's a small scuff below, low down on the bumper below the parking light. It's about 1.5 inches long. But other than that, yeah, there's a very, very clean piece. Good looking truck. If you're interested in coming out and taking a look, maybe setting up a test drive, give us a call, 717-485-4224. Or you can look us up on the website, www.thomasata.com. Thank you.